Hello everyone, what's up, what's popping, and how you are doing? It's your favorite baby girl and your favorite YouTuber called Debbie with the Vibe, and I'm here with an interesting video as always. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to make money online. If you go online now, you see people saying that once you have a smartphone and you're still poor, you're still not making money. That means you're living at the back of the world. That means that money can actually be made online, right? So that's why I'm here to give you ways you can make money online. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Number one way you can actually make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is first on my list because it's one of the easiest and simplest way to earn money online. It can be done at the comfort of your home and it requires the bare minimum. And the most sweetest part of it is that you can just start making money by just promoting products online. Affiliate marketing is a win-win for you and the company because by just sharing your affiliate link, you can earn a very high amount of money per month as commission, and you can also increase the sales of the company. The only thing you need is to have a good understanding of what is being sold. I also need to have a good promoting skills, a good marketing skills for promotion. The company you're working for will do every other thing from customer service to the delivery. All you need to do is just to promote your product, and that's all. You start making your own cash. You can make money online is through social media marketing. It's no longer news that everything is now online. In fact, if you're a business owner or you have a small company and you are not online, trust me, I don't know who you're selling to. Every business, small or large, needs to have a social media account, and along with that, needs to be constantly active on it. Thus, they need professionals to plan and manage their social account. A social media marketing executive strategizes to elevate engagement for a brand and increase brand awareness, which in turn increase sales. Want to be a social media marketer? I think you have to take 1 or 2 courses and practice. Practice makes perfect. Practice on how to manage social media accounts, and trust me, very soon you get better on it and you start taking on jobs and start earning your own cash. The next way you can make money online is through content writing. The demand for content writers is huge because every website, every post, in fact every content online needs content. You need to actually be a very good content writer. You need to be very good in research. Your research skills should be on point, and you need to take 1 or 2 courses, and as time goes on you get better at it and start taking on jobs and start earning your cash. The next way you can make money online, and I think this is the 4th one, is through copywriting. Many people confuse content writing and copywriting, but they are 2 separate skills. A copywriter job is to form compelling AD copies to sell products and also write product description. They work with marketing and other creative teams. If you want to be a very good copywriter, then aside writing grammatically correct text, you should also focus on mastering technique. You should also learn to invoke responses from people. Yes, you should learn to do that as well. There are lots of good courses online where you can actually learn good copywriting skills from. So if this is something that interests you, you can go search online and pick 1 or 2 courses and start learning it. Before we continue, if you have actually watched this point and you have not subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment. Please, I want to see that comment. I want to see the good things you have to say. Comment and subscribe. The 5th way you can make money online is through graphic design. The demand for design is endless because every business requires a designer, and graphic designing is one of the top skills to earn money online. If you are interested with designs, the internet is filled with lots of tutorials and guides. After you finish learning, you can decide to be a freelancer and start earning right away, or you can decide to be a designer for a brand and you still earn your own cash from there. The 6th way you can make money online is through video editing. We can already see video editing as the next big thing. Yes, if you can't see it, I can see it already, and it's one of the easiest skills to learn so you can start earning money online. You can edit videos for YouTuber, or you can also work for a brand where you help edit their product videos. You can also work as a freelancer as well. Video editing is also quite easy to learn as well. You can learn from YouTube, or you can also go for a paid course on Udemy and within 2 or 3 months you are good at it and you start working. The seventh way you can make money online is through blogging. Years back, blogging was actually considered as a hobby, but a lot has changed now. Yes, a lot has actually changed, and it's actually one of the ways you can make money online. Yes, you can make money online through blogging. Some of the ways you can make money from blogging are sponsored posts, ad network, direct advertisement, sponsored posts, and lots more. I'm happy to announce to you that blogging is no longer seen as just a hobby. So if you have interest in writing, you can go ahead and open a blog and monetize it and start earning from it. Eighth way you can make money online is through YouTube. Yes, if you are watching this video, that means you know what YouTube is, right? I don't need to explain to you what YouTube is, because if you are seeing me and you're watching this video right now, you can earn money from YouTube by applying for and being accepted by the YouTube partnership program. The only thing you need is just to meet the requirements, which are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and after that you can start earning money from ads played on your videos. That's it, as simple as that. So if you are a student or you are just jobless at the moment and you need money, you need to start making money online, you want to start making dollars, want to start earning in dollars or in naira, you just want to start working and you're looking for a skill to learn, I think you should learn one of these skills. I think you should either learn a video editing or copywriting, graphic design. Just learn one of those skills. It won't take you a whole year to learn, trust me. It's just a few months and few courses, free or paid courses, and in no time you start earning money. So just give it a try and trust me, you're gonna see positive results. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Do not forget that it's your favorite YouTuber here, your favorite baby girl, the baby with the vibes. See you in my next video. Bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until